99 nights with my friend Akshad, but someone is talking. Yeah, that's my another friend called Aslam.
Yeah.
Guys, do you want to see face reveal of Aslam? Face reveal.
Yeah.
At 100,000 subscribers, Allah. 100 subscribers. Ouch. Ouch, there's biscuit in my balls.
We need the bunny food. So the ventilator. I'll take it.
Let's do face reveal. Go sit there.
Okay. Where's Mariam?
Mariam, she's in the.
Help
guys.
him, okay? Akshay, do not. What is going to the deep forest?
No, there's no deep forest.
Huh? I was just killing the rabbits. And I'm just near to the campfire. You know, we're near to the.
Go to the warehouse. That's where we will get some luck. No, Akshay is going to the warehouse. You don't go, okay? I can go, okay? Why I can't go? You can go. You will get some stuff. Good stuff, though.
There's a wolf climb.
I said the wolf cannot climb.
Hamdan wolf can climb.
No.
Here in this game.
No.
Open this chest. The night is approaching. Should I be here?
Yeah, don't.
Why?
If you're far, at day one, the deer will
Good
come.
sack. Oh, Akshay got his first good sack.
Ooh, that's good. Get more wood.
I said, go
Akshay!
Go outside.
Akshay!
Get metal. Akshay. Put the wood in the sack. Bench. Okay? You get 15 wood.
Quick metal.
I got 3 metal.
Get 15 wood. Okay, no, 15.
See,
Go outside. Deer cannot fly, okay?
the deer can jump high.
No, it can't.
Yeah.
So open the door and get some metal sheet. The deer is day one. The deer cannot catch you in day one, okay?
Oh my god.
Get more wood, Akshay.
Oh, so you're going to get cat from the woods. No, the cat is just near to us.
Akshay,
You get metal sheet is outside of the house.
behind you. Look behind you. You saw that red disappear?
No, because it's dark.
When will be morning? Morning.
When will be?
Morning.
Morning. It's literally, it's not morning, you know what?
When it will be morning?
Morning.
Yeah.
Bro, it's evening.
No,
It's
in
already morning.
Roblox.
In Roblox?
Yeah.
Now only. It happened now.
Oh, now. We'll go inside there. We'll get some.
I got some coins. I got some glue.
We'll go get this fan. Go inside the
No,
house.
guys, wait.
Inside the house and open
I'll
that
get
chest.
some bunny. I'll get a bunny
Chest.
foot. The bunny! I hate the bunny. It's moving. I wish the bunny would not
He
move.
got gun and ammo.
Gun and ammo.
Go, you're lucky. Go, do not use the gun right now. Go inside this house. I'll show you. Go inside. Go back. Go back. There will be a door.
Bro, I got good sack.
Now there will be a door. Go, go check it around.
Hospital will not be here. It will be afterwards. Bro, look at me.
Go take your ammo. You are using the ammo and the gun. bench, not in the campfire. I bring.
Don't get my ammo, okay?
Yeah. You take his ammo.
How to remove that ammo? How to remove that camp?
Oh, I'm so dumb. I did.
Store.
You don't use it. When you're shooting, there will be ammo.
Should I help you? Should I give you that gun?
No, I already have something.
No,
Get more wood.
The cultist. I can shoot the cultist.
But don't be close. First of all, go get some wood and put in the campfire. Not in the campfire, in the bench.
I'm also hungry. Get a bunny food. I'm hungry.
Then eat.
Okay, I don't care.
Go cook it.
I don't care.
Go get the bunny food. When you can get it. Get more wood.
Bro, you need to get a bunny food.
Bro's not even getting the wood.
Where is it?
Dummy.
Get
Get some wood.
I need some bunny food.
Yeah. Who cares? I will give you a bunny food. Now you just play. You won't listen, yeah? Go get wood and put it in the bench. Go get lot of wood. No, I have an idea. Like this. In the same time. No, come back fast. Come back, Akshad.
Get that wood.
No, they don't. Go get it.
The deer will come.
Where is the wood? The deer will come at day 2, okay?
This is day 2.
I'm hungry.
Oh, shit. I'm hungry.
Go.
Is there bunny food?
What is?
This one. Go.
What?
Eat. Oh yes, I got a little. Can you bring some food?
What?
Oh, he's got like kind. Yeah. Can you make him dead like this? Dead. Yeah, you will. Well, you will die. I would.
Go, he needs food. He will die.
First, I don't have food. He's going to die.
Okay. There is some food here.
Oh, that's low. Yeah, I got.
You can't cook it, Aslan. We can cook it.
He is eating more. I said keep.
Take this.
Okay. I need a little to eat. Another thing.
Then take. No, I'm not getting. Go take. Am I your this assistant? Go.
Oh, then the deer will eat me.
He will not.
There's more than how the deer can eat me. Now
Go inside the fishing hole. Fishing hole section. Yeah.
Did you see the house?
Go there. Go get some wood.
Well, get some wood.
Go. And put it in the bench. Not in the campfire.
Yeah.
Go and think of this for you. Go. We need more wood. Okay, keep it in the campfire. Oh, golden chest. Golden chest? Okay, I'm lying. Okay, what's inside?
He's lying. Just come.
No, I'm checking. Come.
You know.
What do you got? Bandage. Bro, he will bandage. When you die, he can revive you. Yeah.
Just give me the bandage. I can revive myself.
No, you can't. When you die, you
Take
can't.
the bandage from me.
No. I got it. It's my. I will give you. First of all, why should I revive you? If you die, I will not revive you. Okay?
Okay, he will revive by his friend.
Only one time I'll revive you.
No, he's hungry. He's hungry.
Who?
Akshay.
I'm hungry.
Go get
This
it.
is mine.
Go cook it.
Eat.
Go cook it. Do not eat it. Can you kill the fox for me?
No,
Bro, I'm going to die.
You won't listen, yeah?
I'm killing this rabbit. Yes, let's cook. Let's cook.
I'm hungry. Give me food.
No, I'm not. I'm your assistant or something. Okay, kill him, Will. Kill him. Not in real life. Okay? Go, the map is bigger. Go on the swings in the park.
For what to play? Are you a baby?
Go to chess. Chess. Go to
Chess?
Chess.
You mean you're playing with a chess?
Go this up on this side. Good flashlight. Good flashlight. Is that your flashlight? I'm going to good axe. Go.
Cut wood and put it in the bench. I told you, yeah?
See, wood, chess.
You're not even getting wood.
Light is approaching and done.
You put some flashlight here. Thank you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Go, he got a flashlight now.
Hmm?
Flashlight.
I also have, okay?
Well, he got a gun, flashlight, good axe, good sack.
I have a good sack, good axe, flashlight, spear, revolver.
Bro, I'm going to get. Go.
Don't buy anything.
You can have my gun. No, go, the cultist. The cultist won't get it. I'm going to die. That's why I gave. Get that gun.
Why? I already have a gun. Why are you dying?
Yeah.
Why you want to die? For what?
I'm going to start.
Then go get some food. Donkey.
No battery.
I'm starving. Bro, I'm gonna die. Medkit, I medkited. Bro, I medkited.
Bro, now when you're done, you're gonna die. Okay? Bro, like
Bro, I'm a bandage, okay? Now I don't have bandage, okay?
you're gonna die.
Now do not die. If you die, I won't bandage you.
Yeah. But he's eating lots of carrots. No, on it. Follow him down. Oh, yeah, they don't get that. You Hamdan has flat feet. Look at him. But follow him. He can save you. Both of you can fight. Don't get your hungry. He got a bunny food.
Okay. Why are you shouting? It's not even special. What the heck is this? Bro, come here. What is this? What is this? What the hell?
This is eyes.
Bro.
Well, hold it. Can get?
God, what the hell? It's like eyes, but I think so. It's like iPhone. It's not raining. It's not raining.
Go get the fishing rod, okay?
It's not raining.
Go in the tower. That's a new tower.
What new tower? Your head tower?
He got a bunny food. Yes, this is your
That's not special. I already have a bunny food.
Go in the tower.
Akshay is good at 99 nights. Should we play everyday 99 nights section?
Yeah.
But with Azlan. Azlan is teaching you.
Don't play with Azlan for
No. Why?
because it's a little bad at play with a player.
He is good. What do you mean?
Oh, I got some scrap. Bro, that's good. I got the shield.
Good.
Oh, he didn't get a single kill from a box.
Akshad, I told you to get wood only and put it.
He's getting flowers. Yeah.
I'm banning you, Akshad. I'll block you. get wood and then put in the bench, not in the campfire.
But he's only put his sheets and lamp.
Put it in the campfire. No, I mean not in the campfire. Here.
Okay.
Did you? Get wood also.
Where's my ammo?
Where's your ammo? Get more wood.
Did you even take it?
How? You said I ate it? No, I didn't, okay? I can't eat a gun. I'm not a gun eater. I'm not a monster like you.
I'm starving. What? We're having different things.
It's a we starving, okay, dummy? No,
He
don't.
died. He died.
Oh my goodness. I don't have medkit, okay? I wasted it.
Self-revive in 1716.
What do you mean? You need Robux to...
No, until the time.
No, you...
We did 40. No, they're coming. They're coming. Yeah, they're going. He can relax. He cannot be. He can dead. And then the other guy.
Aslan, come look at me.
No, this guy's pro.
Stop! You can't look at... Now look, I died now almost.
I'm going. Bye.
No, don't go.
5:30.
Bro, can you just...
6 o'clock, okay.
Can you just revive me?
How?
That's why I told you to take my other gun and my flashlight. For what? I already have a gun. You can't see?
Yeah, and he got a spear.
I already have a flashlight.
He got a spear. He's...
Oh. You're hungry. Why are there 2 bunny foods here?
Yeah.
Because I put.
Yeah.
Why? For what? To die? To die.
To give to the filtrator.
And please, bro, can you put food on my mouth? I can eat it. Can you put food on my face? I kill all of them. Can you put food on my face? For what? I can eat it. For what? I can eat it and revive.
You saw that.
Dumb head. Bro, it's showing the time up.
Bro,
Showing the time up. Yeah, it's showing. Not the time. It's showing the date.
Showing?
My TV is showing the date.
To
Guys,
turn
I'll face
the
the...
screen back on, please.
Can you just shut up?
We'll revive that guy. Dance on him, okay? We're bunny foot.
Please, can you revive me?
I also bring bunny foot here. Why? Why do you need? I don't need a bunny foot.
Can you just revive me, please?
How?
Now I cannot even drop anything. And please, I cannot even move.
Do I have a bandage?
Go to the hospital.
Where?
Then why did you use all that bandage, bro?
Bro, you're
I only had one bandage.
Were you inside his sack?
There is a bandage box, right?
No, that's a medkit. I don't have it. You know what? Next video I will not take this lumberjack. You know what I will take? Medkit. So we will have medkit so you don't die like ugly man.
I'll just leave it join again.
Hey?
You also leave it join.
No. This is day 7.
Why am I lagging?
Wait, where am I?
I'm inside you. You're inside my sack. You can fit in my sack. Wow, you're so thin.
Look at him. Now you can see him.
I can see him. I'm saving the kids.
Bro, both of you are dead.
That is a purpose. Because I wanted to die. So this guy died. Okay, guys. Why did I call you boys? Guys, like and subscribe, share and comment. Bye. 99.